Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goel, practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic that is relating to the relaxation given by Ministry of Corporate Affairs to the companies during this pandemic and COVID-19 situation. As we know, Ministry have issued many circular in last 3 months from March to June regarding relaxation to the corporates so that they can comply with their laws, they can comply with the Companies Act without any defaults. Ministry have given time to time menu circular, like they have issued the circular on the 19th March that is relating to the board meeting through video conferencing. According to that circular, as per rule 4 of the company's appointment and meeting and board power rules, companies can hold the board meeting through video conferencing, but there are the 5 matters like approval of the financial statement, approval of the director report. These type of matter companies cannot discuss in the meeting through the video conferencing. But due to this pandemic and COVID-19 situation, it is not possible for all the director to come to attend the meeting. That's why they have given the relaxation that since 19th March 2020 to 30th September 2020, companies can hold the board meeting through video conferencing to discuss any agenda without any restriction. For an example, till 30th September 2020, company can approve the financial statement, director report in the meeting held through the video conferencing. Second relaxation, on 8th April they came with the circular regarding holding of extraordinary general meeting through the video conferencing. So according to that circular, till 8th April 2020, there was no provision under Companies Act for holding of extraordinary general meeting through the video conferencing. But they have given this circular. According to this circular, from 8th April 2020 to 30th September 2020, companies can even hold their extraordinary general meeting through the video conferencing also. So now they are having the opportunity to pass the agendas of the urgent matter through video conference board meeting instead of calling of the board meeting. Third relaxation, they have issued the circular on 21st April regarding holding of annual general meeting through the video conferencing. So they have allowed to approve the financial statement in the board meeting held through the video conferencing. Simultaneously, they have allowed the companies to hold the annual general meeting through video conferencing. So according to the 21st April 2020 circular, companies can hold the annual general meeting through video conferencing between period 21st April 2020 to 31st December 2020. In this period, companies even can hold their annual general meeting through video conferencing and can comply with the provision of section 96. Fourth relaxation, ministries given the relaxation that the companies whose financial year end on 31st December 2019, their due date for AGM was 30th June, but ministry have extended that due date till 30th September 2020. Fifth relaxation, the circular passed on the 30th March 2020. Everyone is aware about this circular, that is Company Law Fresh Settlement Scheme 2020. This is a big scheme, big relaxation given by the ministry to all the corporate, because till that scheme there was no such provision under Companies Act. Ministry have given no such relaxation. But according to this scheme, if any company is having any form which are pending for filing with MCA till 30th September, companies can file such form till 30th September without any additional fees. If we file any form after due date till 30th September, companies are not required to pay any additional fees. Only one thing, after 30th September, from 1st October 2020 to 31st March 2020, company have to file one CFSS form. In that CFSS form, company have to give SRN of all the form which companies had filed under this scheme. Under this scheme, company can file any old form. There is no such limit that the form should not be older than 3 year, 5 year. Any old form company can file under this scheme. So this is also a very good relaxation. Sixth relaxation, ministry have given by relaxation in filing of charge related form, filing of creation and modification of charge without any additional fees. Our complete video on that charge related form is published on our YouTube channel. You can watch that video about the detailed discussion on the charge related relaxation. So these are the relaxation which are given by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs to the companies through this pandemic. So all the companies can take the benefit of this scheme and can comply with the provision of all the sections of the Companies Act 2013. Our complete detailed article on this topic, relaxation by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs due to COVID-19, is published on our blog, that is www.csdiveshgoyal.info, as article number 602. Thank you so much.